How to pin app on your OnePlus Nord 3, Nord CE3 Lite, Nord CE4. Open the recent application on your phone and tap on the three dots. If you can't find the pin app, make sure enable it. To enable it, open the app drawer on your device. Tap the settings app. Now scroll down. Tap on security and privacy. Again scroll down. Tap more security and privacy option in other settings section. Tap on it. Now scroll down at the end. You can find the app pinning option. Tap on it. Now toggle on the app pinning on your phone. App pinning is unavailable if navigation gesture is turned on. So make sure your OnePlus device set the 3-button navigation. Tap on a navigation gesture and choose the button option. Now go back. Now toggle on app pinning. Also you can see lock screen after end pinning. Toggle on it. Set a lock screen password. Here we toggle off it. Now enable app pinning. Now open the recent application. Tap on the three dots and you can see the pin option. Tap on a pin. Now app is pin message on your screen. Now you can only access the current screen on your phone. Touch and hold the back and recent button. So I'm type to unpin the screen. Now OK. Now you can only access YouTube application. So this feature is helpful when you give your phone to someone or your friend and only access specific application. Just open that application and pin it to access only that application. Now when we try to back, we can't go back until unpin the app. You can see it. So it's quite helpful feature to unpin the app. Touch and hold the back and a home recent button. Now you can see app unpin. Now you can go back easily to your home screen and other screen. So quite useful feature to access specific application on your OnePlus Nord and other device. That's it. If you like it, share it.